Here today with another one of Jim's favorites. My favorite place to come get any electronics done on my cars, on my boat. Audiosmith, right here in downtown Fox Lake. They've worked on my cars. I wanted a nice speaker. I don't want it to be super loud and boom. I want it to be clear, and if I wanted to turn it up. Doesn't matter what you want. I'm telling you what, you want to get crazy, they're gonna hook you up. We're talking LED lighting, speakers, anything electronic on your boat, these guys can do it. They've been doing it for years. If you wanna have the loudest boat on the chain, this is the place to go. Lights on your pontoon. You wanna put those headlights on everybody hates? Come on out. Billy and crew, Daniel, they're gonna hook you up. So, my favorite place to get any electronic work done is Audiosmith in Fox Lake. Hey, I'm Jim Starwalt with the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Check us out today.